Today I have my Joy of Blue collaboration project for you, and I used some blue papers out of my Colors of Autumn pad. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. It is time for the Joy of Blue collaboration. This is a collaboration hosted by Sarah, who's crafting and relaxing here on YouTube, just to encourage others to craft with blue, which is her favorite color. There is a hashtag in the title and in the description box below that you can use to see all the participants for this month's collaboration. And if for some reason the hashtag brings in some weird results, there should be an option at the top of the screen to refine search to hashtag only, and that hopefully helps clean it up. So this month for Joy of Blue, I decided to pull out some of the blue papers in this Colors of Autumn pad that I've been working on. And so I did a couple of scrapbook pages, and I didn't really use autumn. I mean, it's not really an autumn theme. I just used some of the papers to create a layout of my daughters. So my inspiration was kind of like this blue kind of floral background, and then the moths, the pretty blue, brown, red, and gold moths. And you don't really see a whole lot of the moths, but so basically to kind of make this a layered look, I did do a piece of cardstock for my mat, my base page, sorry, and then I brought in that blue. I think I cut about an inch off, and then just kind of layered it on, and then used the moth paper, but then added a strip of blue just to kind of ground my pictures and help them stand out amidst the moths. And then there was a page in my pad that says Gather Together, like one of those full 12 by 12 image pages that I wouldn't have used the full image for anyway. So I decided to harvest the word together out of there, and then all four corners had like just this blank wood grain, which I really like there was no other image. So I wanted to make sure I harvested those so that I could use them for other things at some point, and I decided to go ahead and use two on the layout. So here you can see the together that I fussy cut out of that page, and then I just did two of the triangles, like one on top and bottom. And then I brought in some gold foiled die cuts that I had that kind of, I was trying to play off the gold and the moths, and I know that moths and dragonflies aren't the same, but I didn't have, butterflies didn't seem to fit either, so I just went with the dragonfly. And then I also have a couple of stickers from this sticker sheet. It's simple vintage indigo garden, and the blues kind of coordinated really well. Like, even though this is a recollections like paper collection and then this is simple stories, it still worked out fairly well. So anyway, because I make 4 pages for myself and my daughters, I have another layout, pretty much the same. I think the pictures are in a different order, and then I used a couple of different stickers. And then I didn't have any more of those papers from the Recollections pad, but I wanted to continue to use some of these blue stickers. So I did a third layout for my album and just kind of focused on I liked the pink with the blue, because I love pink. So if I can incorporate pink into my Joy of Blue collaboration project, that's always a win. Even though Sarah's probably like, bleh, pink. She knows I love pink. So anyway, I decided to focus on pink and blue on this one, and found some blue denim paper in my stash, and kind of used that as the map for my strip going across the center here. And then just pulled in some of the stickers from the pad, and then the title I created. I had already created it. It was kind of in my stash I had made it out of some scrap vinyl. And then I had some other photos that I wanted to scrap, and so I was going through some. I knew I had some like sheriff themed papers, and so I pulled in some scraps from that to do this layout. It was actually a campground that we went to, had like this little ghost town set up and it had like a sheriff's office and I think like a little general store, but the girls enjoyed being in jail. So I just kind of made that the focus of the layout. And so these blue, like the blue bandana pattern really is what it reminds me of. And then the blue in the sheriff paper kind of help accentuate the theme, and then I just have some other stickers that went with those papers as well. So 4 layouts this month using Joy of Blue. And let me know if you guys have a favorite. I think even though this one is pink, I think this one is my favorite just because of the rich colors and the gold accents. I really like how that one came out. But let me know if you guys have a favorite. And again, be sure to check out Sarah and the other participants through the hashtag link. Hope you guys enjoyed my projects today. Thank you so very much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.